Hey, what's going on? This is Minister Gold. This is a mix-it-up video. It isn't really a tutorial so much as it is highlighting a community command made by one of the moderators in the mixed-up Discord. It is a translation command, and basically you translate from any language to English. So yeah, I want to show you that, and I want to show you the limitations of it. But ultimately, I would say if you want to be able to translate to any language by just using a command, I'd highly recommend using it. If you like videos like these, please like this video and subscribe for more videos like these. If you'd like to talk to me about Twitch, Mix It Up, gaming in general, life in general, please follow me at twitch.tv/ministergold. Okay, so first, let me show you how to find the command. So click on the menu in the top left, go to community commands. In the search text field here, type in translate, and it's going to be this first command here called the translate command. It's by AAA162, and here's an example of how it looks. Sorry for the flashbang. And if you look below, a bunch of people reviewed it, including myself. I actually forgot I reviewed this, but it makes sense because it's a very cool command. But yeah, it does have some limitations. So I tested using the same sentence translated into each language, and I tried to translate it back. So it would be like, this is in Spanish, this is in Dutch, or sorry, German rather, and this is in Japanese. So I said this is in Japanese. In Google Translate, it gave me "Eso está en español," and so that worked fine. This is in Spanish. I said this is in German, and translated that from English to German. It gave me back. I'll probably say this badly, but "Das ist auf Deutsch." Somebody correct me because I probably said that wrong. It gave me back that is in German as opposed to this is in German. So that one was off. However, it's interesting that it also can translate symbols that are not in like alphabetic letters, like alphabetic symbols or alphanumeric symbols. So this is all in like Japanese, like I'm not sure if it's kanji or what it's called, but the what how Japanese letters are written, and it gave me back this is in Japanese. So you can even translate different kinds of symbols. So very cool. It's not perfect, but is it better than nothing? Definitely. Definitely better than nothing. So basically what you're gonna do is you click on download, create a new command, and you'll save it as translate. You don't have to do anything. You just have to accept this as your settings as translate for the name and the trigger, and then just click save, and then there you go, you're set up. And then to use it, you'll go translate. Let's pick another language. Let's pick like Korean or something. Or Italian. Sure, why not? I love to eat chicken wings. I had some chicken wings today, so okay. Let's grab that. Let's see how accurate it is if we post it in. Translate. Yeah, that's mostly accurate. It took out the two, but yeah, that's basically what I said. So yeah, seems pretty accurate. So yeah, so if you want to be able to translate languages easily without having to like tab out to another website or something, then I highly recommend getting this command. And that is it. If you found this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos like these. If you'd like to talk with me about Twitch, gaming, Mix It Up, life in general, please follow me at twitch.tv/ministergold. All right, thank you. See ya.